Hello friends, in front of me Mr. Amarveer Singh Walia ji sitting. He secured highest marks in SFM out of his 4 papers and he is now a qualified chartered accountant. His parents are also chartered accountants. So you can realize the happiness which is going around in his family. His parents are now a proud parents. He wants to take up his father practicing business in more forward and with more great achievements. He is conceptually very strong. He had covered his finance concept practically. He knows how to buy and sell shares. He knows each and every practical aspect of finance. He is a true finance expert. Days to come, he will definitely achieve a lot in this career. So we want to know some few lines from Amarveer, how he managed to score such a good marks in SFM and how he can guide others for SFM subject. Please Amarveer, so many people are waiting to hear your guidance. Please go ahead.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for your guidance and always your motivation that you have always kept towards your students. This journey would not have been so easy if we would not have got such great mentors. I am the student of sir your 2017 batch. It's been 4 years, but I still feel so connected with this subject and with your guidance, sir. The reason behind my success actually is that I had compiled your syllabus 5 times as you have all as you every time tell in class, complete my notes, complete my books, all questions are there in my notes, complete it 5 times, you will be a champion in SFM. And after my results, I can definitely guarantee to my juniors that this is actually true. If you complete the syllabus and books of sir 4 to 5 times, you will score very good marks in SFM. If you have interest, you will score 75, 80. Even sir students are scoring 90 plus. And how can we forget 100 on 100 on 100? I mean, that student of sir, the All India rank 3 was a motivation for all of us and also for me. And sir, being a son of two chartered accountants, I have always been under, I mean, in the eyes, and somewhere down the line, I have always felt pressure also. But at on the result day, after seeing so much happiness in my parents' eyes, I was so happy. They were actually more happy, and they were feeling so much blessed. And thanks to you for that too, sir. And one thing that out of the line I would like to say for you, apart from the academics, that we have so many CA faculties, we have so many teachers that are teaching so many subjects, and we are studying from different platforms such as YouTube, or these days we also have live classes, pen drives, etc. But there is something different in your classes, that is the motivation that you give in the beginning. You start the class by that 10 to 15 minutes of codes, and even after a class is over, you keep posting something or other on your YouTube or your Telegram channel that keeps us uplifted. Those 4 to 5 minute short videos with great messages that teach us life values, that is actually very important in our life. I mean, one day or the other, every day, everyone will become a chartered accountant. It's not that someone will not become it. It might take one or two extra attempts, but everyone one day with all your great efforts will become chartered accountant. But life values are very important, and that is what is unique in you, sir. You keep those inspirational stories, keep giving us those social and life values that we should actually imply in our life. So I would request all those who watch this video, be a good person first. You all will be a chartered accountant, learn good values, and become a good human being also.
So nice of you, Amarveer. I think all will definitely follow your tips and guidance. And in future also, we are looking forward to meet you whenever you come Delhi or I come to your place. We will have a really nice time and we will have a selfie together. And I will really love to know your much more achievements. I will love to touch feet of your parents because they are the one.
No, 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 no.
They are the one
Please
who.
don't say like this, sir.
No, really, they
You
are the one who must be doing so much hard work, so much struggle, so much pain they have taken. And with their all the hard works and struggles, we can see the result. You are a nice person. and as well as you are a successful and you will achieve much more achievement in your life, which I can definitely feel right now with small talks with you. I can feel it right now that you will definitely achieve much more. You will not stop here. You will have a miles to go, miles to go, and miles to go. So thank you, friends. Thank you, Marbir.
Thank you so much, sir. You definitely come to Punjab. We will there are many students who love you a lot. We will celebrate in Punjabi style. We will welcome you in Punjabi style, sir.
So nice, so nice. I have no words to say now. Amarveer, thank you so much. Thank you for inviting
Thank you,
me,
sir.
and I will definitely try to come.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you so much,
thank you,
sir.
thank you.